Cheese. Okay, so this is Ella, and she's got her apron on because we're going to color eggs. And Dominic's not very interested, so come on up. Sit up on your seat. Be careful getting up, and remember that the water's hot. Okay? What a cute little apron you have on there. You can stand up on there if you'd like. Okay, let's get a little closer in. Hang on. Hold on to the table so you don't fall. Okay, this is Ella getting ready to color some eggs. Okay, so we're going to put some food dye in these.
Let me do it.
Well, let's see. I'm going to put that down for just 1 second. Okay, so I want you to put a bunch of color in there.
Okay.
Put only in that one. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so can you put the lid back on that one?
Yes.
Okay.
Watch, this one is pink.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so take the lid off of this one. Be careful. Okay, and then put it in that one. Only. A little more.
More.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. Then put the lid back on that one. Very good, very good. Okay, now put that one in there.
I got some on there.
Dominic, this is very hot.
I got some.
Put it in that one. What a great job Ella's doing. Just keep squeezing it. Very good, very good.
No more.
Okay, no more. Okay, Dominic, this is very hot water, please. And you don't have your apron on because you chose not to do them.
Watch this one.
Okay, put that one
That
in that one only. She's doing such a good job.
No more.
Okay, and then you want to put the lid on that one, please? Okay. Don't touch, Dominic, because it's very hot. Okay. Hang on 1 second. I gotta stir those. Don't move. Don't touch anything. It's very hot. Are you ready, Ellie? Let's stir. Hang on. Stir each one.
This one?
It's very hot. I'll get it.
Okay.
Okay. So, go ahead. Oh, egg's hot. Grab an egg, like so, and then dunk it in one of the things, and just leave it in there. And we'll have to stir it around. Put another egg in that one.
Okay. Wow. It's hot.
It's hot. Grab it real quick. It's a hot egg, but you can do it. Okay, we'll put it in there. Okay, and then you want to get another egg.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Ella making eggs. That's good. Oh, very good. Look at her. She's a professional already. Here, let me help you. Okay. Very good. Look at her making eggs. Okay. So, every so often, Ella, you got to stir the eggs around. Stir this one around. Oh, not too hard. Not too hard. You're doing a good job. Let's get that egg to... There we go. Alright, do the other ones. Be sure not to spill any of it out.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Turn it over so it'll get some on all sides. There you go.
My size.
You want to stir this one?